Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, welcome. My name is Mary. I post videos weekly. I'm trying to continue it with my Monday and Friday upload schedule at 1 p.m. I also do monthly giveaways on my channel. I've already had the May giveaway, which next? March, April, May, June. Pregnancy brain. So next I'll be having my June giveaway, so just be on the lookout for that. Today I am super excited because I have something new. I was recently somebody from the MOXIE Lash team recently reached out to me and asked me if I'd be interested in working with them. So I jumped on that opportunity and they sent me some lashes and stuff to test out for you guys, and I'm going to show you how I apply them. They are magnetic lashes, so they come with magnetic liner, and there's 10 magnetic like little strips on these lashes. I've used other magnetic lashes before. The previous brand that I used only had like 6 strips on it, so this has 10, so it's supposed to be a lot more like durable, heavy duty and stuff like that. So I'm going to show you guys what's in this box and how I apply them. So if you're interested in seeing that, then just keep watching. I'm putting my little headband in thingy because I don't want my hair to get in my way. It's been doing that a lot lately. So anyways, what I got is I picked this kit out. It's called the Happy Kit. So this comes with 3 different lashes. I'm not sure which ones. Oh, Baby Lash, Happy Lash, and Flashy Lash. Flashy Lash. Those are hard to say. So this right here came with the magnetic liner as well in this pair of tweezers. So I'm going to show you how I apply these. So I'm going to open this up. This is going to be a first time thing for me because I have never used these before. As you can see, like I'm just opening this, but the packaging on here is absolutely beautiful. I'm obsessed. Okay, so here is the liner right here. Really nice packaging. I like the top part of this. It's really thin. And here are the tweezers or lash applicator. Really cool because it comes with like this side, and then on this side it's got a little comb that you can use to brush out the lashes if you need to. So right now I'm just going to see like which pair I want to wear. I'm just gonna put them on and see if I like them. Those are big. Woo! Those are big. The really nice thing about this is the packaging. So you take the lash off of this little mold, and then it still has a magnetic strip here, so you can just place it back. So that's really nice. I'm thinking I like these little half lashes, which I think are the baby lashes. So let me see how this one would look. You just put it on this end. Okay. I think I like the little half ones. So what I'm gonna do is apply my liner, and then you apply it, and then I think you're supposed to let it completely dry. So I'm just gonna scoot up so you guys can see me apply this eye. So let's do that. Okay, so I did this eye and I filmed it, but my hand was in the way, so I'm gonna try to do this one with my left eye so you guys can see it better. I am just keeping this like as close to my lashes as possible. Okay, so I have the liner on both eyes now. So now we wait 3 minutes for them to completely dry. So I'm gonna let those dry down, and then we will be back to put the lashes on. Okay, so it's been 3 minutes and my liner is dried down. So now I'm going to grab one of these lashes and we are going to put them on. I'm so excited for this. So the bigger ones have 10 strips on them. This is a half lash and it has 5, so half of that obviously. So this is for my left eye. Again, guys, I have never used these before, so we're just gonna have to figure out how to do this. I think I'm actually gonna use my fingers, my hand, opposed to the little tweezers, just because everything's getting in the way and I want to be able to show you guys how I'm doing this. So let's just, whoa. Holy cow. Holy cow. Holy cow. Oh my gosh. Okay, so as you can see, I didn't get them all the way on the end, so I'm going to take them off and do it again. Let's see how easy it is to take them off. Wow, that easy. Okay. Yep, literally that was it. Holy cow. Like, those look so good. Let's do the other eye. Okay, so let's put this other one on. Actually, you know what? Just for like gits and shiggles, let's put on this big one, okay? This big daddy. Let's put this on. This is in the style Happy Lash, I think. So let's put this one on, just because, why not? And this is a tin strip one. Like, holy crap, are you kidding me? This is a little too long. It needs to come up a little bit more. But like, that was freaking it, man. Like, that was it. These are like the best lashes I've ever used in my life. Okay, so I gotta take this off, obviously, but just look how easy this is to take off, and I'm still able to apply different lashes. Like, that's what gets me. It's like not taking any of the liner off. The previous one I have used, if I wanted to do that, it would take little strips of the eyeliner off. So this is not doing that. So let's put the little baby lash back on so my lashes match. I am obsessed with these. Okay, so this is what we are looking like with the baby lashes on. Again, this is my first time applying these, using these, so I feel like, honestly, it wasn't that hard at all. And I feel like I do need a little bit more practice with it, because just to get the hang of the liner and everything, but super, super easy. So I'm super excited to try more stuff from them. If you guys, these pregnancy hiccups, I get them all the time. If you guys want to check out some lashes from them, I'm gonna link it all down below, but you can also use my code MaryP10. It is a commissioned link, so I will get some coin back from it. But MaryP10 to save some money at the checkout. But yeah, that is all I have for you guys today. Just this little lash tutorial, these magnetic lashes. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.